Hello, I'm Nigel Hewish. I'm the head gardener here at Kingston Maurward College. So, introduction to the walled garden. This is set behind the Elizabethan manor. The Elizabethan manor was built in 1597, and there would have been something growing here in this area right from that time. Obviously the walled garden doesn't date from right back to that period, but it is quite early. So if we look at the wall and the brickwork, we notice that it is not on the level. It follows the contour of the land, which is very early. Later walled gardens would have been brickwork on a level, and so therefore would have been terraced down the slope. It's about 1.25 acres, which is around about the size of a garden to support a large manor house. Not only would it have been producing fruit and vegetables inside the wall, it would have also been producing fruit and vegetables on the outside, because the wall gives protection, and so therefore protected crops would have been able to grow both inside and outside. Over the years it's been various things, but now it is set out as our demonstration garden. So it's divided up all the way down with various hedges. And then we've got beds for a different place or a different purpose. So seaside, dry bank, foliage and berry, scented shrubs. We've got a herbaceous bed, some rose beds. It's quite a wide range of plants that we're growing in that area to give a good collection and resource for students studying here at the college. The Elizabethan walled garden is one of 3 of our main gardens here at the college. The other 2 are the English landscape from the main house running down to the lake, and also the Edwardian garden in the arts and crafts style.